The Owen James Report is
brought to you by JMMB. If you're serious about saving, you deserve JMMB.
If you're serious about saving, JMMB is where you need to put your money.
So what about my bank?
When you invest with JMMB, you earn higher rates, pay a lot less fees, and your money grows faster.
3 times faster.
And we'll work out the best plan for you, and we'll help you to stick to it. For the last 19 years, we have had many people make good money and achieve their goals by investing their savings with us. It's what we do. If you're serious about saving, you deserve JMMB.
Good evening. This is the Owen James Report. Equity Investment is looking for opportunities in Jamaica, and at least one U.S. equity firm is scouting around. Chairman and Managing Director of Blue Equity, Jonathan Blue, says it's an open secret that the Caribbean is the next main attraction now that the so-called BRIC countries, Brazil, Russia, India and China, have lost some of their luster. Blue, who was addressing Sterling Asset Management's investor briefing in Kingston last night, said many U.S. investors were anxious that Asia, Canadian, Irish and French investors were making money while U.S. investors were few.
Other people have found Jamaica. The negative is, from a U.S. standpoint, I'm the only group that's a named U.S. investor on here. So what we would like is for more people to find Jamaica not as a tourist location, but as an end use for dollars of deployed capital in companies.
News on the market now, and falls by Caribbean producers JMMB and Sagicor Life Jamaica triggered losses in the Jamaican stock market indices today. The main JC index lost 104 points, or 1/5%. 22 stocks traded, with 6 advancing, 9 declining and 7 holding firm. The winners included Carreras, Grace Kennedy, Kingston Wharves, Lime, NCB and Scotia Group. The losers included Caribbean producers down 5.2%, Jamaica Broilers, JMMB down nearly 6%, Lasco Distributors Limited, Panjam Investment Trust, Sagicor Life Jamaica and Scotia Investments down 6.2%. On the foreign exchange market, the benchmark American dollar gained 2 Jamaican cents, closing at an average selling rate of $89.93, whilst the Canadian dollar advanced by 20 Jamaican cents to close at $91.41. However, the British pound sterling fell by 43 Jamaican cents to close at an average selling rate of $145.38. Now finally, in our business intelligence feature, the radio media landscape isn't escaping unscathed as the advertising dollar shrinks and costs escalate. One wonders whether it's just pride keeping some stations open. Weighed down by a mountain of debt, one station recently couldn't even afford to pay the fuel bill associated with a key transmitter. Another radio entity is so mired in debt that any normal business enterprise facing that level of debt would have already closed or cut costs drastically. So what's keeping them open? That's a $64 million question. And that's the Owen James Report. Good evening.
The Owen James Report was brought to you
by JMMB. If you're serious about saving, you deserve JMMB.